Look, my innocent daughter, how she's sleeping. She's so innocent. And Mary got suspicion about something, so that is why she started barking. And Tina is sleeping over there. She's tired of playing. This is the ball they played few minutes ago. Anna, Tom, come. Mary, come. It's time to give food. And look at her. Where she's sleeping. My sweet daughter. Mary, come. Come. It's time to give food. Come. Oh. Tom knows. I'll give no food. Actually, the wrap of these biscuits, it's making noise. I started to open the wrap biscuit packet, so that's why they started gathering here. Look at them. Oh, wait, sweetie. I'll give. Don't worry. You guys sit properly, okay? Be in a queue. And Mary, sorry, Tina, come here. It's okay. Come on, guys. Come on. I have to bring Tina, you be here. Come on, sweetie. Tina, come, sweetie. Oh, shit! What happened? She's not ready to come. You come, otherwise you'll miss food. Okay, let her be there. Guys, Tina, come, baby. Oh, she's not coming actually. Fine. Have it. Mary. Mary. Bola. Tina, that's why I said you come up. Oh. Mary. Bola. It's for you. Tina. What? Breathe here and take. Eat now properly, okay? Peacefully. Okay. Tina. Sorry. Come, Bola, come. Bola. Tina, you finished? Oh, Tina is eating biscuit a lot. Bola. Let's have some water now. Wait. I'll give you water. Wait now. Wait. Come, guys. Have some water. Have some water. Tom, water, water, water. Drink water. Oh. Oh, they're thirsty. Oh, voila! Move, 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 move. She wasted the water. I didn't give any water to Tina, but this is not good. I thought after them I will give water to Tina. The poor Tina didn't have water yet. Tina, come. I'll take her up. She got down. Tina, Siri, come, come. Have water. Okay. She's so thirsty. Fine? Okay. Okay, I'll give some milk to Tina now. Actually, I have to open milk. Okay, Tina, give the bowl. Wait, guys, wait. Come, Tina. The milk is for you only. Come, sweetie. And after you drink, I will give each and everyone. But first of